Hi guys, this is Siyabonga from Millionaires Journey. Welcome back. We are continuing with our training course. We are on our week 2. This week we'll be discussing more and more. So more knowledge will be shared. So as you can see, the last day of last week we talked about trading sessions. We talked about best to trade on that particular session. Then we talked about types of traders. I remember there was swing, there was scalper, there was position trader, and a trader. So we are continuing with this course. Today we'll be talking about the introduction to MetaTrader 4. So in this video you will be learning about MetaTrader introduction, just the basic concept. There will be another video on this. Then we introduction to MetaTrader, how to add accounts, real account or demo account, what is MetaTrader. We'll have the surface introduction and some of the buttons that we use on the app will be explained. So on this video will be just the basic concept. Then on the other video we'll be explaining furthermore. I don't want to make these videos long, so I will be dividing them. So let's start. We'll be learning the following: introduction, how to add account, what is MetaTrader, surface intro, and some buttons explained. So let's continue with it. So what is MetaTrader? What is MetaTrader? MetaTrader 4, also known as MT4. When you want to download this app, is either you type MetaTrader 4 or MT4. You will get it on your Play Store or whichever site that you use for downloading apps. So MT4 is an electronic trading platform widely used by online retail foreign exchange traders. Remember, we are retail foreign exchange traders. So MetaTrader 4 is the app. Electronic platform is an electronic platform that is used widely. Almost every trader knows about this app. It was developed by MetaCode Software and released in 2005. So this is a little bit history on the app that we use to trade. The software is licensed to exchange brokers who provide software to their client. So this software is used by most brokers. You will see when you open a real account, most of the brokers will tell you to download MetaTrader 4 and log in. They will even offer you a link. MetaTrader 4 is a trading platform used by a lot of traders and brokers. So traders use this app to trade. Brokers use this app to allow traders to trade. They give them access to the market. So this is the logo of that app, MetaTrader 4. So I hope you get the idea of what is MetaTrader 4 and when it was developed and who developed it and what we use it for, what is its purpose, So let's continue and find out more information on this app. So additional information about MT4. Traders use it to view real-time currency prices, open or adjust orders, get technical and fundamental analysis. Meanwhile, brokers use the platform to reach broader audience. So we use it to view real-time currency prices, open and adjust orders, get technical and fundamental analysis, Meanwhile, the brokers use the platform to reach out to a broader audience. By audience, they mean retail traders, people who use this app to trade. So what's good about the platform is that it offers lots of currency pairs and indicators you can choose from. So you will see, I will show you the section for indicators, what is meant. I will also show you the section where you can press it to see all the list of currency pairs. Not only that, but it's customizable. You can edit the colors of the shirt and make it whichever color that you want. Also new baby friendly, that anyone can spot a breakout pattern forming. So what this means is that this app is user friendly. Even someone who doesn't know forex can see that, okay, this is a pattern. As long as that person knows that in trading we have pattern, that person can just see that this one is a pattern, and you can edit the colors and make the app whichever color that you want. The platform can't be accessed through a website. You have to install the platform on your computer or your phone. So for you to trade, you must have a computer or a phone with internet access before you can gain access to your trades and currency pairs. So this app, you cannot use it on a website. You have to install it, you have to download it and have it on your phone. That's when you can be able to use it. So I hope you understand this section. Let's continue. So how to open a demo account or add a real account. So when you log in on your MetaTrader 4, you will see this section where you'll be seeing your, if you've added your account, you'll be seeing your name, your money and every other thing. This indicates that this is a real account. Then on this screen, you will click on this button to add your real account. You will click on this button, then it will send you through to this section. So on this section, you can see that we have a section that says open a demo account or log in into existing account. By login, they mean that you've already, as I said, that this app is used by brokers. So when they say login into existing account, they mean that you already have a trading account. You just need to log in and access your trading account. The broker will give you the password and your login details. So you will just come in and punch those details here, then log in. But if you want to open a demo account, you can just press this one. So this one, you are adding an account. This one, you are opening a demo account. So when you are opening a demo account, you will have to fill a form. Then you will be given a demo account. Then you can start practicing your trading. So this is how you add your real account and your demo account. So let's continue. So when you continue with the app and you press this button here, you will come to this section, right? Then on this section, there's this button, there's also this button, right? So when you're pressing on this one, it says add pairs. So when you press on that button, you will get a list of pairs. Then you select a currency pair that you want to add. As you can see, there are already pairs that are added, right? So you can add other pairs that don't appear on this list. You can just press here and then you can add those pairs. All right, so then when you are pressing on this one, it says customize list and delete pairs. So if you do not want this pair, you can just press on this button and then you will be able to delete this pair and remove it from this list. And then after removing it, if you want to add it back, you can just click on this button that says add pairs, and then you can add it back. So you can delete each and every pair and leave only the pairs that you want to trade. So this is the screen. It says codes. By codes, you remember that we are comparing the prices. So you see, these are the prices that we will be comparing, right? So this is the first screen that you get when you go into MetaTrader 4 platform. You will get this screen where you'll be able to edit pairs, you'll be able to adjust, you'll be able to set your own list, the list that you will be able to use. So let us continue. And then when you press on the second screen, by second screen I mean when you press here, when you press there, you will find this section, right? This section with a lot of buttons, right? Okay, this one, this button means symbols. When you click on this button, a list of currency pairs will appear here. Then you can press on that currency pair, then it will appear here. You see now it's USD JPY. When you press here and select a Euro JPY, it will appear here, and then the chart that will be here, it will be for Euro JPY. So you can just easily access your currency pairs without having to come here. And then on this button means new order. By new order, that's where you can buy, you can sell, you can set your take profit, your stop loss, you can have your pending orders, your buy stop, your sell stop, you can set your lot sizes, where you get your bid and ask prices. We'll have a video talking about this page only. And then when you come here, you will find your time frame. By time frame, as you can see, it says USD JPY H1. So on time frame, we have 1 minute, we have 5 minutes, we have 15 minutes, we have 30 minutes, we have 1 hour, we have 4 hours, we have day 1, we have weekly, and then we have monthly. So those are the time frames that we have. We have these time frames. I will be explaining them, and then you will be able to understand them. So you access those time frames when you press on this section, right? So let's continue and show you more of this button. So here, as you can see, this is the chart, the chart button. You see chart, this is our chart. You see, this movement is the price movement. So when you press here, you can access the chart. Then when you press here, you can access the indicators. I want you to play around. Just press this button, and you just see what's behind these buttons, and just get to understand this app. Indicators. And then we have crosshair. This one it's used to calculate the distance between the price movement. So it appears like this. It will show you the price and the date of that particular pair and the movement that you are trying to calculate. You can use it to calculate pips. You can use it to calculate to see the candlestick, that which date did this candlestick appear, and what time was it, and which price was it at. So these are the pattern. We have crosshair, we have indicators, we have charts, right? So let's continue, and then we move to the to the third screen. See, so on this screen we have this section called trade. That's where you manage your trades. You see your money. As you can see here, it says balance, it says equity, it says margin. So it's basically where you see your running trades. If you have your trades that are running, they appear here on the screen. Then this button means sorting. You can sort your trades if you want to see. Let's say you have 4 winning trades and you have 4 losing trades. So if you press here, you can sort it that you want the losing trades on top of the winning trades, or the winning trades on top of the losing trades, depending on your preference. Then we have this button again, the one that I said new order. You see here, new order. As I said, I will have a video to explain everything behind that button, where you'll be learning all the important things and how to set them. So we are continuing now. Let me explain a bit on this. As you can see here, it says balance, equity and margin. That screen. Okay, balance. The balance refers to the amount of money a trader has in their trading account. So basically, balance refers to the money that you have, like a bank balance or what. If a trader has an open position, his balance might change depending on the losses or profit he or she has made once the trade is closed. So if you have $10 and then you make $10 profit, after you close this profit, your balance will change to $20. So you had $10 plus the profit of $10, your balance will be $20. It won't change unless you close that trade. Then we move to equity. Equity refers to the amount of money a trader has in their trading account. For example, their balance, plus or minus any profit or loss from open position. If, however, the trader doesn't have any open position, his or her equity is equal to their balance. So as I said, the balance only changes after you close a trade. Let's say you have $10 on your balance, and then you have $15 on running profit, right? Your balance won't change. It will remain $10, but your equity will be saying 25. It will be saying 25. Why is it saying 25? Because it's your balance plus your profit. So your equity shows you the amount of money you will have after you close that running trade. So for example, here you have $10, you have running $15 plus so if you combine this 15 plus this 10 is close to 25. But the exact opposite happens if you have $10 and you have a -5 running. Your balance will remain as 10, but your equity will be saying 5, showing you that if you close this trade, your balance will change to 5. So I hope you understand the term equity. Then let's move to margin. Margin is essentially the amount of money that a trader needs to put forward in order to place and maintain the position. So you cannot open a trade with a 0 on your account. So you need to have some sort of money to open your trade. You need to have some sort of money in your balance to open your trade. Margin is not a transaction cost, but rather a security deposit that a broker holds while a forex trade is running. So brokers don't allow you to trade without money. You need to put in money forward to make money. So you cannot trade 0-0. You need to have at least some sort of a balance in your trading account so that you can be able to trade. So I hope you understand balance, equity and margin. Please don't forget to ask questions in our WhatsApp group or our Google Classroom, where we post deep details about each and everything that we learn about in this YouTube videos. So we are continuing to the fourth screen. As you can see here, the fourth screen is where you can see your previous trades. You can see your history. It's like it keeps the record for you. All the losing trades, all the winning trades, they are kept here. As you can see here, it says symbol. So now I only showed Nasdaq. If you want to see Euro, JPY, USD, what, you can just press on symbol, then select that pair that you want to see here. Then it will appear and it will show the profits that you made from that pair, right? And then we have so it's symbol. Then we have period. On period, you are choosing from when you want to see this history. If you want to see last week's trade plus this week's trade, it means under period you will put last week date so that you can see which you can see from last week up to today. You select your period that you want to see. You don't just check. So you can check trades from any date that you punch in this section. And then we also have this section here. It's sorting. You can sort your trade by the winning or the losing or the most profit or the lesser profit. It's up to you how you are deciding to sort this trade, right? So this appears to be our last slide. I hope now you get a little bit picture on our MetaTrader 4 and some of the buttons and how they work. We will have a video where we'll be explaining the new order button. We'll also have a video where we'll be explaining the time frames and how the time frame works and how you can use it to your advantage. So thank you for watching this video up to this very end. Let's meet on our next video, and please don't forget to participate in our Google Classroom, where we post all the information that you need that we couldn't explain here. So thank you. Let's meet again on the next video.